This is a story of a startup company that became $2.5 billion company. This is a story of the Valve Corporation. Valve was founded in 96 by two guys that wanted to make computer games for gamers worldwide. And one of them is my 12-year-old son. He actually managed to transform his granny into Valve's 69-year-old paying customer. Why? How? Because Valve offered to him more than 2,000 games. So how someone creates value proposition of more than 2,000 games for a kid and his granny in another corner of the world? They launched their first game Half-Life in 98. It was a success. Their business model was making games for gamers for a price. Games were sold through video stores that took commission up to 70% of the listed price. Valve's communication channel was similar to other game developers, highly automated, web-based. To create computer games, you need to have developers and something called game engine. It is similar to car engine. Car manufacturers use same engine to power different car models. On the same game engine, one can run different games and create many virtual realities with aliens or soldiers or animals or cartoon characters. It takes a lot of time and money to create good game engine. Since Valve was a startup, they leased it from another company. And they created great games and made some cash, actually a lot. And this is standard business model of PC game industry. The whole computer game industry had a problem with customer relations. Valve came with a solution for their needs. It was Steam, a software distribution platform for releasing the updates and for online sale of computer games. At first, main use of Steam was for customer relationship issues, not just for automated web services, but Steam allowed customers, gamers, to communicate with each other, to create communities, to exchange ideas, to know each other. Co-creation was the next step. Gamers were invited to test new games and to choose which new games will be on Steam. As a sales channel, Steam had several advantages over a real store made of bricks. On Steam there is no shelf space restrictions, no unsold inventory, no old stuff in the store that has to be sold before introducing the new game. And for Valve, Steam was much cheaper sales channel, so stores were out of the picture and their 70% commission too. Steam was great communication platform and sales channel and the new resource of Valve. Valve decided to offer Steam and their gamers to other game developers. Developers were happy to get access to gamers community and to pay less, and developers started to sell their games through Steam. That transformed Steam from cost generator into a money-making machine and game developers into partners. More games, more gamers, more money. There was another benefit that Steam created. It allowed communications with gamers in real time. Because of that, Valve needed new game engine that could leverage that real-time communication ability, especially seamless update of games. Good game engine also allows creation of great games. Valve named its game engine he developed as Source and offered it to game developers that were startups or too small to develop their own game engine for release. Source was another way how to transform game developers from competitors into partners that were making new games and attracting new gamers. Let's look at the epicenters of their business model evolution. At first, it was product-based business model. Computer games were starting point. Then it was their communication platform that created huge customer relationship capabilities. And then there was a game engine, which is crucial infrastructure for everyone in the game development industry. Now, Valve business model is balanced and integrated multi-sided platform that delivers great gaming experience to the gamers, huge pool of customers and instant access to global market to the game developers, and crucial development resources to the small independent or new game developers. These successfully upgraded their cost elements into sources of new profits, transformed their competitors into partners, and locked game users and game developers into a single value creation platform. Results: huge growth, leading market position, still relatively small private company, with huge customer base that are coming back day in, day out. And as I already told, my 12-year-old son is one of them. When my son salutes his real-life friends, he says, "See you on Steam." Looking back, Valve Corporation was a startup company established by two guys who wanted to create games. They outperformed their competition not because of their great games, but because of their business model innovations.